숨쉬듯이 영어.
In this video, we want to go through common sentences for job seeking. We will cover 4 crucial aspects: writing a cover letter, job interviews, following up, and negotiating after receiving an offer. Let's get started. Situation 1. Applying for a job. Dear hiring manager, I'm excited to apply for the marketing manager position at Tech Solutions. I have over 7 years of experience in digital marketing. My background includes managing social media campaigns and SEO strategies. At Digital Agency, I increased web traffic by 50%. I'm particularly skilled in content creation and data analysis. I admire Tech Solutions' commitment to innovation and sustainability. I believe my experience aligns well with your needs. I'm eager to bring my expertise in marketing to your team. I've attached my resume for your review. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to discussing how I can contribute. Sincerely, Robert Smith. Dear hiring manager, I am writing to express my interest in the IT developer position at Tech Solutions. With over 5 years of professional experience in software development, I am enthusiastic about the opportunity to contribute to your innovative projects, particularly in the realm of scalable cloud solutions. My professional journey has equipped me with a solid foundation in both front-end and back-end technologies, including proficiency in JavaScript, Python, and Java, as well as extensive experience with AWS and Docker. At my current position at Innovative Tech Company, I played a key role in developing a cloud-based application that improved data processing times by 40%. I am adept at working in agile development environments and have consistently contributed to my teams by driving improvements that enhance code quality and system efficiency. My commitment to rigorous testing and continuous integration practices has been instrumental in significantly reducing bug rates in my projects. Tech Solutions' commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology solutions resonates with my professional skills and aspirations. I am particularly impressed by your recent initiatives in developing AI-driven analytics tools and believe my background in machine learning could significantly add value to your team. Enclosed is my resume, which provides further details about my career achievements. I am looking forward to the opportunity to discuss in more detail how I can contribute to the continued success and growth of Tech Solutions. Thank you for considering my application. I am eager to bring my expertise in software development to your esteemed company and am excited about the potential to collaborate with your talented team. Sincerely, Robert Smith. Situation 2. Scheduling an interview. Thank you for considering my application. I'm thrilled to move forward in the hiring process. When would be a convenient time for an interview? I'm available for an interview at your earliest convenience. Could we schedule the interview for next week? I'm flexible with my schedule and can meet any time that suits you. Please let me know a time that works best for you. I'm looking forward to discussing the role in more detail. Thank you for the opportunity to interview with your team. Is there any additional information you need from me before the interview? I'm available on Tuesday and Thursday, which works best for you. I'm excited to discuss how my skills can contribute to your team. Could you confirm the date and time for our interview? Is there a specific format or preparation you recommend for the interview? Please let me know if there are any documents you'd like me to bring. I'm looking forward to meeting you and the team. I appreciate the opportunity to interview and discuss my qualifications. Could we schedule a phone or video interview if that's more convenient? Thank you again for this opportunity. I'll make sure to be available at the scheduled time. Situation 3. Job interview questions and answers. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. I have a background in marketing with over 5 years of experience in digital campaigns and brand management.
Why do you want to work for us?
I admire your company's commitment to innovation and sustainability, and I believe my skills in project management would contribute greatly to your team.
What are your greatest strengths?
My greatest strength is my ability to adapt to new situations quickly and effectively. I am also highly organized and excel in time management.
What are your weaknesses?
I sometimes struggle with delegating tasks because I like to ensure everything is done perfectly. However, I've been working on trusting my team more.
Why are you leaving your current job?
I'm looking for new challenges and opportunities to grow. I feel that your company's vision aligns with my career goals.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself in a leadership role, helping to drive the strategic direction of the company.
Why should we hire you?
I bring a unique blend of experience and skills in digital marketing, and I am confident I can deliver results and add value to your team.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
I prioritize tasks and stay organized. I also practice mindfulness and take short breaks to stay focused.
Tell me about a time you faced a challenge at work.
In my previous role, I led a project that faced unexpected delays. I coordinated with the team, adjusted our timeline, and communicated transparently with stakeholders, which helped us complete the project successfully.
How do you stay organized?
I use digital tools like Trello and Google Calendar to manage my tasks and deadlines efficiently.
Tell me about a time when you had to deal with a difficult coworker.
I once worked with a colleague who was very critical. I scheduled a one-on-one meeting to understand their concerns better, and we established a more collaborative working relationship.
Describe a time when you went above and beyond your job duties.
During a product launch, I volunteered to take on additional marketing responsibilities, which helped us exceed our sales targets by 20%.
How do you approach problem solving?
I analyze the problem, brainstorm possible solutions, and evaluate the pros and cons of each option before deciding on the best course of action.
Give an example of a goal you set and how you achieved it.
I set a goal to increase our social media engagement by 30%. By implementing a targeted content strategy and engaging with our audience more effectively, we achieved a 35% increase.
Describe a situation where you had to learn something quickly.
When our company switched to a new CRM system, I quickly adapted by taking online courses and experimenting with the software until I became proficient.
How do you handle conflicts at work?
I address conflicts directly and calmly. I listen to all parties involved and work towards a solution that satisfies everyone.
Tell me about a project you managed.
I managed a cross-functional team for a product launch, coordinating tasks, timelines, and budgets. The launch was a success, resulting in a 15% increase in sales.
How do you ensure effective communication in your team?
I hold regular team meetings, use collaborative tools, and encourage open and honest communication.
Describe a time when you had to take initiative.
I noticed our customer feedback process was inefficient, so I developed a new system that improved response times and customer satisfaction.
How do you handle disagreements with your supervisor?
I approach disagreements with respect and professionalism. I present my perspective and seek to understand theirs, aiming for a mutually beneficial resolution.
Situation 4. Follow up after the interview. Dear Mr. Johnson, thank you for taking the time to meet with me today. I enjoyed learning more about the marketing manager position at Tech Solutions. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my skills to your team. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to the possibility of working together. Please let me know if you need any additional information. Thank you again for the opportunity. Best regards, Robert Smith. I am very enthusiastic about this role. I hope to hear from you soon. Dear Mr. Johnson, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to inquire about the status of my application for the marketing manager position. I am still very interested in this opportunity. Any updates you can provide would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your response. Best regards, Robert Smith. Please let me know if there is any further information you need from me. Thank you for your assistance. Situation 5. Job offer and negotiation. Thank you for the job offer. I'm very excited about this opportunity. Can we discuss the salary offer? Based on my experience, I was hoping for a salary of $80,000. Is there flexibility in the salary? I am looking for a package that reflects my skills and experience. Could we talk about the benefits package? I'd like to know more about the health insurance plan. Can we discuss the start date? I am available to start on July 1st. Could we arrange a start date that allows me to transition smoothly? Are there opportunities for professional development? Could we discuss potential career growth within the company? Is there a signing bonus included in the offer? I'd like to clarify the vacation policy. Can we review the terms of the relocation assistance? I'm very enthusiastic about joining the team. Thank you for considering my requests. I look forward to reaching an agreement. I'm eager to start and contribute to tech solutions.